Hey, what's up guys? Chris here with ACN. I'm back at Knott's Berry Farm, and for the first time I think ever in the decades of coming here, I got parked over in their western parking lot, which is kind of cool. My car gets some shade here, got the park here, the back of the park behind me. So I'm gonna go in the western entrance. I don't think I've done that other than maybe for haunt, so that's kind of cool. Anyway, let's go check things out. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. Get some really nice views of the park from this lot. I should probably come here more often. We got hang time about to drop there. Pretty cool. It's also a really nice day. Nice and sunny, not too hot. No surprise that the park is as busy as it is. Really cool to see all these coasters running, with the exception of Xcelerator. Hope it opens soon. And in addition to seeing what's going on with Montezooma's Revenge, there's a Ghost Town Alive, which is happening on the weekends right now. So I'm gonna see what's going on with that, and yeah. This is the western entrance over here, which gets used when the park is busy and they have to use the overflow parking lots that are behind the park. I love the main entrance, but this is always a really nice, cute little entrance to go into. The western entrance takes you directly back to where Pony Express is. And over here, actually, something that I forgot to point out last time is that they're working on some new facades along here. This is just a kind of an ugly wall before, and they're making some really nice western facades here. It's little things like this that really go a long way. Yeah. Gives people something to look at when they're on the train, because it was just the backside of the theater and of the new pizzeria that they recently opened. For those not familiar, Ghost Town Alive puts actors into Ghost Town, and they play out an entire story throughout the day. I'm just gonna take a look here.
Yeah, although the sheriff did just walk up that way with the rest of the concert. So what I'm thinking, if you gave it to my brother Johnny, maybe you head up there and say like somebody else is on the whole, right? Now be careful that you don't incriminate yourself. But hey, say that you saw the Mad Bucks gang. You know, the Mad Bucks. That's our rival team.
Mad Bucks still good.
All right, they just headed up around the corner.
Come on, let's go to sheriff.
Good luck, everyone.
All right, you know where the sheriff is at.
That was good, folks. I'm hyperventilating. Who stole the map?
Mad Bucks! Mad Bucks gang! Hey, break it up, break it up!
In the sheriff's pocket. In the sheriff's pocket.
Somewhere in the sheriff's pocket. The sheriff.
Who said that?
Half the major. And the Fresh Dick side. I done found the stolen map. There's more. Next to the stolen map piece, I found this here. Time. Major.
May I say it was an honor to serve the cavalry. Outstanding honest man right here. Yeah, there's an inscription on the inside of this watch. Oh yeah, y'all want to know what it says? Yeah. It says too tiny. Always my second favorite. Love Mom Mayfield. This is Tiny Mayfield's pocket watch, y'all. Which means we's no longer a task force. We's now a posse. We got us a suspect, folks. So Sheriff, I'm gonna pass it right on back to you.
All right, like she said, we got ourselves a suspect. That suspect is Tiny Mayfield. All right, we're gonna go after him. All right, but before we do that, if we're the posse, I have to swear you all in. So I need everybody to raise your right hand. Your favorite right. Perfect. And repeat after me. Ah! Ah! Say your name. Say your name. Promise to do my best. Promise to do my best. Protect all the citizens in Calico. Protect all the citizens of Calico. And follow the rules. And follow the rules. Set forth. Set forth. For the mayor. For the mayor. Judge. And the sheriff. And the sheriff. So help me, Calico. So help me, Calico. Now give me a big old yee-haw. Yeah! Congratulations, everybody. Give yourself a round. All right. Now, we're going to go after Tiny. We're going to do it in an orderly fashion. I suggest you follow the cavalry. They're really good at what they do. All right? Follow my deputy, too. He knows what he's doing, too. All right? So, this is very important. If you find Tiny, don't shoot him. Please. We have to make sure he's guilty of his crime. So we will arrest him, bring him back here to jail, put him in jail. Then at 2:30 today, we'll take him over to town hall and stand trial. Are you with us? Yeah! Are you ready? Yeah!
Thank you, and a round of applause for the handsome sheriff.
Trying to make this job.
Tiny Mayfield, are you with us?
Sienna baked Tiny some cookies. No time to make it. Yeah, what flavor were those cookies, Sienna?
Mayfield hideout. Great idea. Let's check on the Mayfield hideout, folks.
You gotta be around here.
Check on the Mayfield hideout. Stand back. Oh, stand back. Folks, apparently I need to teach y'all a lesson about respecting the dead.
Yeah, don't step on the tombstone.
Dead bodies need to be respected and given their space, right? We don't want to go poking around.
He's alive!
How is he alive? How is he alive?
Here's just
Look, I'm going to turn around.
We saw him. We saw him.
Saw him do what?
He's gonna choke you.
He choked me.
Oh.
See, he's just a dead body, and that's completely fine, right, Sarge?
Did you see?
He's a dead body, my friend. We don't want to grab onto anybody.
No.
You're just a
Yeah, but Tiny.
Oh, his tongue. Sometimes the body still has a little movement post-mortem. We found a dead body.
It's
not dead.
Not dead.
He is so young.
Freeze! Oh my! What a round! We need to take a little bit of step back. Look, I don't see any dead body.
take two giant steps back for me, please. I got a comment inspection this morning.
There you go.
I thought you had to.
I told you he was alive.
Y'all, this could very well be a dead body, but luckily, there's a very specific training and test we perform in the cavalry to deduce whether a body is alive or dead. Classic training that used on the battlefield and all sorts of things. You know about this, Lieutenant Levine. All right, so does anyone have any ideas of what that technique is?
Yeah, it's the old water in the bucket.
The old water in the bucket. So here's what I need y'all to do. Everybody take one giant step back, all right? Very delicate.
You don't want to get wet.
All right, now let's go here trying to perform the water test. And what I need y'all to do is give us a nice, big count of three, all right? So we're going to count together. Y'all going to come back. All right, Private. You might want to take a step back, Private. All right.
Okay, now.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
This test never fails. This body is indeed alive, and it belongs to one Tiny Mayfield. Tiny, you are wanted on suspicion of a crime. You are coming with us.
Is there tea?
Sure.
Yeah.
All right, y'all.
All right, folks, clear the way. All right, clear
We
the way.
got him.
First row, go.
Good job. Good job, everybody. We got him. We got him.
I got wet.
You got wet too.
Me too.
Well, all part of the military training.
Good job, folks. We got him.
All right, back to jail.
We got him.
Stop! Stop that prisoner! Everybody put your hands in the air! Put your hands in the air! Run there! We don't want to flick!
I will. I'll flicker good.
Oh my goodness. Hands in the air.
Hands in the air, folks! Hands in the air!
Crazy. I'll do
It's
it.
crazy! Hands in the air, my friend!
Oh no, Tiny! Tiny!
I'll give her the flick of her life. I will.
Don't flicker. Tiny! Tiny, you have so much to live for. Tiny!
Oh, wait, he's getting away!
There it goes. Okay, good. Oh no, everything's
Good point!
Yeah, you went down that way.
Step on outside. Tiny Mayfield? Is Tiny Mayfield having an appointment? Oh, he does. All right. Barbershop, and then we can head on out. Not too bad, y'all. It is nice to see some of the friendly faces here in the shop. Wait, isn't Tiny bald? Well, he's got a beard. Oh, he does got a beard. He does got a beard. Did you take your hat off for your haircut?
Yeah, can I get what he wants?
Now, yeah, he's
Now,
got.
how many people have you killed? I killed my significant other yesterday.
What is this with you and murder?
A lot of things.
Well,
That's fair.
that's probably a good idea. We
You
might
get
need
it.
to arrest.
He
Now,
does it.
friends, don't you worry. Now, the barber shop is barber-client confidentiality. I see.
I reckon the man will be hitting the old
Great.
Tiny.
Joe Mother.
You know, I could probably.
I hope you catch that kind of Mayfield wherever you are.
No, this is Joseph, our mother. Oh no. That might be Tiny. That's Tiny. I should have. That was Tiny. I thought it was Joseph, our mother. Tiny? Tiny, Mayfield.
What?
He has Levi hostage. No. Wait, don't enter. Don't enter. Levi!
He's got Levi.
Levi! Blink! Blink once! Blink once if you need help. It's kind of locked.
Okay, y'all. Here, back up for a second.
He can teleport.
We got him, folks. We got him.
Well done, folks. That was some win.
Now
Yeah, who
we're
is
on
in
this
there?
fella.
To the
jail! Why did you think something crazy would happen? Deputy! Got time. Clear, Sheriff.
I'm deputy right here. Whoa.
I'm looking at I found him the lane.
All right, Simon, we got room for it.
All right, everybody, give yourself a round of applause. Great work.
I'm sure I'll speak on behalf of the cavalry and my deputy. We are very proud of you guys and appreciate your hard work. Now, at 2:30 today, we're going to march Tiny over to Town Hall and make sure he gets a fair trial. Right? Are you with us? Yeah! What time will we meet back here? 2:30. We'll see you guys at 2:30. Thank you.
What if somebody tries to bust it out?
Now, on the outskirts of town, I done found stolen memories. Wait, folks, there's more. I also found a pocket watch next to the man. Now, Ronnie, whose name is on the pocket watch?
Tiny man.
Let's go. Let's get Ronnie a nice round of applause.
All right, bring me a cue. Going up. All right, kind of make it over on the rest. Break it in a black bar. Stealing a piece.
Bob is up there. He's
This
going to
is
be
the
part
dig
of
up
that.
the field set treasure.
I didn't do any of those things.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you what. Why don't you save it for the jury?
That's right, Training. Justice will be swift. This court is now in session.
Oh, this is ridiculous. Blame it on Mayfield for something that seems to be this town's hobby. Of this particular crime.
That's right. My plan is right, Your Honor. It's all just a little bit too convenient.
All right, now, keep running. I assure you that a fair trial will be held. All right? I will serve as district attorney and present the town's case, after which you, the good citizens of Calico, will act as a jury and deliver an impartial verdict.
Anna Mayfield, I'm shocked. I mean, even for Mayfield, you have stooped down to him.
Hey, listen. Now, wait a minute. Hey, Judge. Now, the trial hasn't even started yet, and the sheriff is already tainting the jury.
Well, counsel, you saying our good sheriff is tainting the jury?
That's right.
Overruled. Overruled. All right. Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. The District Court of Calico is now in session. Case number 7094723757621. Between Connie Mayfield and the Township of Calico. Now, I'm going to swear you all in as jury members. Everybody raise your right hand for me.
Raise your hand, everybody. Raise your hand.
I do solemnly swear.
I do solemnly swear.
To give a fair and impartial verdict.
To give a fair and impartial verdict.
As long as I agree.
As long as I agree.
With Judge Roy B.
Judge Roy B.
All right, Connie Mayfield. You have been accused of tampering with federal property. That means breaking the lock on Blackwax box, stealing a piece of his treasure map, which contains clues to where he buried his ill-gotten gain. How do you plead?
Which is the one that ain't guilty?
Not guilty.
Not guilty!
Thank you, Your Honor. I will be brief. Tiny Mayfield, is this your pocket watch?
Yeah. I mean, no. From way over here, I can't even see it. It could be anybody's pocket watch.
Well, here, let me give you a little bit of a closer look. Will you please read this inscription of this particular pocket watch?
Oh, nobody can read that as much as you
Well,
Well, my pocket watch was stolen from me this morning.
Just answer the questions. Will you please explain to the jury how your pocket watch wound up in the fresh dig site along with the missing map piece in question?
I tell you, I'm being framed. I wasn't there. It was
Your
a two-hour
Honor,
grab.
no further questions. Your witness, counsel.
So, Tommy Mayfield, so you say you weren't there? Now, where exactly were you?
I forgot.
All right, I've heard enough. Jury, you find the defendant, Tommy Mayfield, guilty or not guilty? Tommy Mayfield, you've been found guilty as charged. I now sentence you to 55 years.
May it please the court, Judge?
Go ahead, Victoria.
All right. Tiny was nowhere near that dig site. I know. Because he was with me.
What?
We were on a picnic near the rapids. He's just been protecting my good name because he knows that my friends and my family and the headmaster would never approve of me going on a picnic with a Mayfield.
Victoria, I apologize.
It's okay, Johnny. He was the nicest thing with the girls ever been on.
Your Honor, in light of this unimpeachable testimony, I demand that you drop the charges against my client. This case is dismissed. Oh, wait a minute. If Tiny Mayfield didn't break the law, and didn't steal that piece, and didn't try and dig up the treasure, then who did?
Well, folks, until we can figure out who the real culprit is, we gotta keep the map piece safe. I will now place it back into the strong box. Sheriff Wheeler, Major Ryder, read the score, this and put it in the back of the safety.
Absolutely. Come on, Ben and ma'am.
Yes, I'm a woman, Sheriff. Come on, we've had this discussion.
Please volunteer.
The path that leads past Silver Bullet and over to where Fiesta Village is still being worked on. Over here at Xcelerator, the station is still empty. But if you come over to the other side here, they're doing some work on it. Taking a peek through the fence here at the station, and they have the launch system being worked on, so at least some progress is being made. It's good to see. The arcade building is still being worked on. I don't remember if that area last week was torn out, but they got that out. Everything else is looking pretty much the same in this area. All the concrete is poured and just curing right now, although no, it looks like they still have a whole area over there to do. But it looks nice. It's the kind of sandy looking concrete look that they've done throughout Ghost Town. Looks really nice, much better than asphalt, or I'm kind of forgetting what was here before. I think it was just regular colored concrete. And on this side of the arcade, everything is looking pretty much the same as last week. But I know what you guys want to see. Just a day or two after I was here last week, they removed the sign. Here it is. Looks really weird, but with this whole area getting redone, it's just a matter of time. I think everything else is pretty much the same though. And I take that back. Looking through the construction wall here, they have all the concrete and handrails for the queue removed. And over here we have the back end of the launch mechanism for Montezooma's Revenge. Probably won't see that around too much longer. And yep, everything's looking the same over here. Only development would be there's a water bottle. It's going to be the new McDonald's cup. That, you know, if you're watching the Wonder Woman construction, there was a McDonald's cup that was always there. Now we have a water bottle. They're healthier here at Knott's. On my way out of the park here, it's about 4 p.m. and there's cars coming into what I thought was the employee parking lot. Wow, I guess it's really, really busy today, even though it didn't feel like it inside the park. But anyway, that's gonna do it from Knott's Berry Farm. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are a fan of this type of content, please consider giving our channel a sub and this video a like. Have a good one. Bye.